Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at a tool that's used to do some cleaning up in the background of your Windows 11 hard drives to make sure your computer runs spick and span and as fast as it probably should, especially if it's not as new as it used to be. And that is the disk cleanup tool. So to access the disk cleanup tool, all you gotta do is go to the Windows search bar and type in disk cleanup. Although I just typed in disk clean and it popped right up here at the top. And this is a tool that's going to ask me which of my hard drives I want to clean up temporary files and other extra stuff on. I'm gonna start with my C drive and hit OK. And then it's going to ask me what kind of information I would like to clear out from my computer. And it'll actually tell me how much space all this stuff is taking up. So one of the things you can actually clean out that I was surprised at and didn't know about is if you feel like you're having hiccups with your shader cache files or just your games in general that have new fancy advanced shaders, you can actually tell this to clean out your DirectX shader cache folder, which is where they store all of the pre-cache shaders. You can get rid of things like delivery optimization files, because that's taking up about a gig of space on my computer. You'll always want to empty temporary files and your recycling bin. And it's never a bad thing to clear out your thumbnail cache, because that's just like thumbnails of all the different icons that make up all the different programs on your computer. They keep a little smaller version of all of them as thumbnails so that they load faster than trying to load all the full-size versions when the computer boots up. And that's all looking good. We're pretty much clearing out everything. And you know what? We might as well clear out the Windows error reports too while we're at it. And then we'll hit OK. And it'll ask if I'm sure that I want to delete all these files. And I'm pretty sure that's exactly what I want to do. Now, depending on what you're deleting in your temporary files, it might have a hiccup where it wants you to give it some administrator permissions. Just go ahead and do that. There's really nothing in your temporary files that should cause any problems for your computer when you delete them. They're temporary for a reason. If some of them are currently in use, just hit continue and don't worry about it. So it shut down when it was done. It doesn't like have a completion window. It's like, hey, you cleaned out this much stuff. It just closes when it's done. So we're gonna go to my space drive. I'm gonna click OK. And there's not as much stuff for me to clean out from this particular hard drive because my operating system doesn't run off of this hard drive. But I would go ahead and clean whatever's in here out that has any space to it, hit OK. But it should go almost instantaneously because, again, there's literally nothing on this drive besides me storing my recording files from things like this tutorial. So that's one way that you can go through and clean out a lot of old junk files from your Windows 11 computer. The other thing you might want to do is pick up a free program similar to something like CCleaner. CCleaner literally stands for crap cleaner, and it'll clean out all the gook from the odds and ends and nooks and crannies of your computer that's honestly just wasting space to try to keep things running as smooth as possible while you're using your computer. So until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been a look at how to use the disk cleanup tool, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.